So I was just gonna share a little tip with you guys because I've been experiencing it at our own house, and it just got me thinking that there's probably a lot of people that may not think this way. So I just wanted to share it because it's kind of new thinking for me, but it actually is working. So here it is. So basically, when I used to leave in the morning for the day to go to work, I would crank the thermostat up to like 77, 78, sometimes 76, depending on how hot of a day it was going to be. And then when I would get home at 5 o'clock, after it's been the hottest part of the day and I'm trying to cook dinner and throw in a load of laundry, I would crank that sucker down to 70 and complain that it was just taking forever. It wouldn't reach that temperature until 10 o'clock at night. And during that whole time, for about 5 hours, it was hot. And that was uncomfortable. So what I've been doing, and it seems to be working, did it yesterday and actually went through the weekend doing it, is I've been leaving the house with it set at like 72. And nobody is home during the day. Got home last night about 5:30. It was very noticeably cool when I went inside. I started to cook dinner, turned on the oven. My husband was like, "Do you really have to use the oven?" And I'm like, "Yes, I have to use the oven to make this meal." So cooked dinner, the temp still stayed comfortable, went and laid down at about 9:30 last night, and it was nice and cool and easily reached the temperature that I had it set to, which was 70 degrees. So just wanted to pass that on. I know that we kind of get into the thinking that to save money, we need to crank the system up, or the thermostat up, so that it doesn't run all day. But ultimately, it ends up running all day because it's hot outside. So if it's even trying to just keep the house at 76, it's constantly running. So why not keep the house at 73 constantly running, so it's easier for you to cool off and reach that ideal temperature when you are at home. Hope this is helpful. Thanks. Bye.